Grab that vine and then jump into the water.
This vine right here.
Yeah, that vine. Hi guys! Today we are hiking to Ka'au Crater. Oh yeah, Crater. Ka'au Crater Trail. I have my cousin Eden with me. I'm gonna go say hi to Jordan. I finally brought Jordan on one of my hikes. Jordan. Hello. Hi. Yeah, Jordan finally made it in one of my vlogs. This is Doobie. Doobie. One of my gaming buddies. You should subscribe to my vlog.
I'm on your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm famous now.
Yeah. All 27 subscribers. Yeah. And then we have Eden's friends joining us too from Kapolei. They're all down there because parking's a little tough, but I'll introduce them later. We have Alicia. Then we have Lowen, and then we have Brandy. And I remember everyone's names. Yeah! We're now attempting to go up this huge boulder. How you doing, Jordan?
We'll find out.
So we are trying to figure out the path right now. There's people following us. We don't know where we're going.
Like a path up there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You got it, Jordan. Whoa!
Nothing. Okay.
It's a small one. I like low-key have to pee now, guys. Can you see him? Climb. We're about to scale that up in order to get to the ridge, which is up there, I think. So I think this is the last waterfall today. It's actually more like a slip and slide. It's like a giant natural water slide. We're gonna climb that up where that dude is right now, right there. Gonna climb up to the top, and hopefully we'll be able to see inside Ka'au Crater. Let's go. Get his Canucks right there. Barefoot, that's how. So we started all the way down there, and we're still going up. Still going all the way up. Up there. I'm trying to go in there, but I think once you step in it, it's like water, like swamp.
I really.
On top of the tower. This is down there. But you do it for the view. Look at that view. Look at this cool zip line. This is how I found it, Banan. Do you watch my vlog, Stephanie, where you're on? Are you subscribed? No. How rude. I know you're subscribed. You're true.
I like
true.
Vlogs. I still have to subscribe though.
Oh, come on. We're here at Tito's house. Tia leaves tomorrow. Do you have any words? This is like your last vlog cameo
I will
for a
miss you
while.
all. Everybody subscribe to her and donate to her GoFundMe page.
Yeah.
She can raise money to make these vlogs better than they are right now currently.
Yeah.
Follow me on Insta at Tia_Kilo.
Okay, don't plug yourself in. Turkey, Taylor, turkey.
There'll be a nice one and then an ugly one.
Turkey. I got it. Spread them.